This video is on solving equations. Here we have a linear equation. To solve it, whatever you do to the left side, you want to do to the right side. So we're going to begin by subtracting 3 because we want to get the y by itself. We're left with 2y equals 16 because the 3's are now gone. Then to get the y by itself, you want to divide by 2. The 2's cancel out, which leaves y equals 8. Every time you solve an equation, you want to go back and make sure you check it. So we're going to take our 8 and put it back into the original problem where y is. So 2 times 8 plus 3 should give us 19. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 3 does give us 19, so that equation will work. Number 2, you do the same thing. You're trying to isolate the a, figure out what it is. So to get rid of the minus 6, we do the opposite by adding 6 to both sides. The 6's are now gone. We have 3a equals 30. Divide both sides by 3 to get a all by itself. Therefore, a equals 10. Again, go back and check your answer. Put it back into the original problem to see if it works. So 3 times 10 minus 6 is supposed to give us 24. 3 times 10 is 30, and if we subtract 6 from 30, we do get 24. So that does work in the problem. Number 3 has a fraction in the equation. We want to get rid of the fraction by multiplying straight across by the common denominator. So in this problem, we're going to need to multiply by 4 because the common denominator is 4. We multiply the first term by 4. We multiply the second term by 4. And we also have to multiply the right side by 4 to keep everything equal. On this term, the 2 will cancel into 4 and go twice. So 2 times a is just 2a. These 4's cancel each other out and just leaves plus 3. And on the right side, we have 1 times 4, which is 4. Then we solve it just like we solved the previous equations. Subtract 3 from both sides. We have 2a equals 1 because the 3's are now gone. Divide both sides by 2. And the 2's cancel out, leaving a equals 1 over 2, or 1/2. Again, let's check this problem and see if it works. Our original problem had a over 2, so we're going to put a, which is now 1/2 over 2, plus 3/4 should give us, the original problem just had a 1. This means division, so 1/2 divided by 2, if we work it out, and you remember how to do fractions, when you divide, you invert the right side, so 1/2 times 1/2 is going to be 1/4. So 1/2 divided by 2 gives us 1/4. 1/4 plus 3/4 equals 1 because 1/4 and 3/4 is 4/4, and 4 over 4 does give us 1, so that checks out.